Nasaan ako? Tinawag ako. Nasaan? Wala. So in this case, being the initiator of Ganang, alam ko hindi ko control, but we can do votation. I'm sorry.
Yeah, let's do votation today.
Yeah.
Okay. Gusto mag-bid. Mag-bid kayo. So, what's going to the bid? Presidente mag-bid.
Okay, sa amin, usually kasi ganito yon. Since 2000 na umaadan kami ng mga
Halika.
International.
Oh,
Local, wala na. Yung local.
Kasi sa amin, doon sa since 2000 na kami, yung Vancouver, 2 beses na kami
We'll call the presidents of the international.
ko lang, para at least binibid talaga.
Correct.
Ngayon, kung sinong mananalo sa bidding, hindi mo mapapapunta.
Kaya.
Di ba? Tama ba ako, sir?
Yes, pero at this time it looks like it was shoehorned because we were not there. Bigla na sabi tayo, ano nangyayari? Di ba? Ano nangyayari ba?
So, akala mo nag-usap sa'yo, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.
Wala nagsabi. Sorry. No, nasa pa siya, si Alex.
So, we'll make it formal. We'll take it back and so. Okay, sir.
You have to take it back. Then we'll do it.
Okay. So, we visit now. We call all international class.
So, just to let you know, sinuhorn eh. Wala tayo sa discussion.
Paano? Diba?
Every 5 years. And then, napunta tayo ng Bicol, and then, we decided that it could be every 3 years. Okay. Wala ako sa Cagayan de Oro. I think it was changed again to whoever. Right? Kasi wala ako doon. That's the only thing that hindi ko alam. Pero 5 years, 3 years. So, ano nangyari doon? Marami ka na paano ang bidding? Okay, understanding mo, usually, ang bidding, nangyayari, ang bidding ng board of directors. Right? So, bidding of directors, board of directors, that's the time.
Okay, by this chair, my fellow house, lilipat tayo sa District 4 on this
Kasi straight eyes lang, okay?
easy.